Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the battery pack and any accessories. This eliminates power and prevents shorts. Once done, use a T8 to remove the main screws and a small Phillips for any internal fasteners. Make sure to peel back the warranty sticker to find hidden screws. Use a plastic spudger to lift the back shell at the seams so you don't mar the plastic. Move deliberately and keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. Once the back shell is off, gently lift to reveal the vibration motors and main PCB. You should disconnect ribbon cables by flipping their latches or sliding connectors. Don't yank them. Remove the motors if they obstruct access. Note their orientation. Release trigger springs and bumper tabs one at a time to avoid losing small parts, and unclip thumbstick modules by lifting retaining clips. Keep everything in labeled compartments so you know why each piece came out and where it goes back. You reassemble by reversing steps. First, reseat the PCB and reconnect all ribbons and battery contacts, then gently press the halves together to align clips before tightening screws. Make sure thumbsticks move freely and buttons register. Test with a quick power on before fully closing. If buttons are unresponsive, inspect flex cables and solder joints for cold joints or loose pads. Clean contact surfaces with isopropyl. Finally, ensure the battery connection is solid. Poor contact often looks like dead hardware, but is an easy fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.